welcome back to my channel. I am going to try making chocolate truffles. What's it called? Today I'll be trying another recipe. So these Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to try a super simple 2-ingredient chocolate truffle recipe. I have been seeing it's making rounds on YouTube and I've been so keen to try it. So let's get cracking. So I'll be using these 2 ingredients only, the Cadbury cocoa powder and the rainbow condensed milk. You can use any brand of your choice. I'm not an expert, but these are the 2 that I'll be using. I'll be using 50 grams of the cocoa powder and 120 grams of the condensed milk. Can you please tell me when to start? Oh, it's done, see here. Or more. Dude, low heat. Dude, it's caramelizing. This is a fail. Oh my god, I can't. This failed before we even started. Yeah, it's going now. So now for attempt 2, I'm just pouring the condensed milk directly and I'm not turning on the flame. By the way, I'm just eyeballing this. Okay, so this is done. And now I'm going to turn on the flame and I'm going to keep it away from the flame. Slightly away from the flame. So basically I need to keep doing this until it becomes a bit more liquidy and it starts bubbling. Yeah, see? It's becoming a bit loose. So I'm really scared to put this completely down because it's going to burn and then caramelize. I'm not sure if you can see it. I can see tiny bubbles. So I just want to stop because I'm really scared of burning this and then I don't want to waste more condensed milk. As you can see, it's quite liquidy. I'm gonna turn this off. So guys, the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour this into the bowl. The state of the condensed milk has completely changed from the moment I basically poured it. And now I'm gonna add the cocoa powder in small fragments. So you need to be mindful to not pour the entire batch of cocoa powder into the bowl because then it will get lumpy. So I'm doing it in fragments, as you can see. So I'm gonna start mixing this now. I'm gonna mix this really well. So guys, from what you can see, it felt like it's not mixing at all, but with a lot of effort and arm workout, it does seem to have incorporated beautifully. So guys, as you can see, there are just some granules over here, so I'm just going to discard those and I'm going to mix this up again. By the way, my arms are already broken. Honestly, I don't know if this recipe is even gonna work because from what you can see, it looks like it's really hard for everything to be incorporated nicely. So I'm just confused what went wrong. So guys, with lots of effort, it's finally incorporated and it's a very small portion, as you can see. So I have halved the recipe from the original one. So it's very, very hard, as you can see, but it has kind of incorporated beautifully. Okay, I want to do a taste test now. So I'm gonna take some from here. Don't worry, the only people who will be having this is Jake, Zeba, and family. It's so good! Oh my god! It's so good! Okay, so I'm gonna put this here. I'm gonna make the cling film obviously the shape of the pan and then I'm gonna pour it in. Okay, so it's really hard to take this. So I'm just going to put this here. Okay guys, this is really hard, by the way. Although this recipe is very easy to do, because you just need to heat the condensed milk and mix it with the cocoa powder. It's still really hard to do because this gets really stiff. So here it is. I've spread this evenly and I'll keep this in the fridge for 2 hours. How I'll have the patience to do that, I don't know. Okay, so I just took this out from the fridge and I'm gonna take it out of the cling film. Please don't judge it by the looks right now because it's not done yet. It's a little gooey. So guys, this is how it looks right now. I'm just gonna cut it into 4 parts and then I'm just gonna shape it. It's a bit sticky, so I'm just going to take it out and then I'm gonna shape it. So guys, I'm just gonna make it as balls. So guys, I'm gonna dust these with cocoa powder. Now we're finally done. I don't want to put too much cocoa powder because then it'll be too bitter. Anyway, this was like pure chocolate. So yeah, I don't want to put this anymore. These are truffles. This is the first time I've ever made truffles. I hope I like it. So I'm just gonna have a bite. Let me just take one. So this is how it is. It's got a beautiful texture. I took it out too soon from the fridge, which is why it's a bit sticky. Okay, so I'm just gonna go for a bite. This is really good. Guys, it's so creamy. It is so indulgent. It's so rich. And I would choose just chocolate over store-bought chocolate any day. I'm actually gonna go for another bite. Guys, I was just gonna have one truffle, but I also can't help myself. So from the taste, I really like it. So in terms of the taste, guys, I would actually give this a 5 on 5. I mean, if you think about it from my end, I don't really have a benchmark. Like, I love the taste, so it's a 5 on 5 for me. And in terms of ease of like making this, I would say it's a 4 on 5. You already saw the difficulty I had. It basically just needed a lot of arm strength. You have to keep like turning it, and when you start making it, you think that you have to give up because it's not working out, as you saw in the video already. And the first time, like, I failed. If I had to take that into consideration, it would be like 2 on 5 or something. But I think now in hindsight, after seeing everything that I went through and then how easy it was eventually after I stirred it properly, I would say a 4 on 5. So guys, that's the chocolate truffle recipe. I hope you guys try it. Let me know what you think. If you faced any other difficulties that I didn't encounter, please let me know. Leave a comment, do like the video, don't forget to subscribe. Happy eating!